Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about cell receptors and types of cell receptors. Cell receptors, also known as cell surface receptors or membrane receptors, are proteins located on the cell membrane or within the cell that play a crucial role in cell communication and signal transduction. These receptors receive signals from various extracellular molecules such as hormones, neurotransmitters, growth factors, or pathogens and transmit those signals to the interior of the cell to initiate specific cellular response. There are several types of cell receptors. G protein coupled receptors. G protein coupled receptors are one of the largest and most diverse families of cell surface receptors. They transmit signals from a wide range of ligands including hormones, neurotransmitters, and odorants. G protein coupled receptors activate intracellular signaling pathway through G proteins. Receptor tyrosine kinase. Receptor tyrosine kinase are the family of cell surface receptors with intrinsic kinase activity. When activated by the ligand binding, they phosphorylate tyrosine reduces on themselves and other proteins, triggering signaling cascades that are crucial for cell growth, differentiation, and survival. Ligand gated ion channels. These receptors like the nicotinic acetylcholine receptors allow the selective passage of ions across the cell membrane in response to ligand binding. They are essential for rapid transmission of signals in neurons and muscle cells. Cytokine receptors. Cytokine receptors are involved in immune and inflammatory responses. They bind to cytokines and initiate signaling pathway that regulate immune cell function and inflammation. Intracellular receptors. While most of the receptors are located on the cell surface, some receptors such as steroid hormones receptor, thyroid hormone receptors, and retinoic acid receptors are located inside the cell. They typically bind lipophilic ligands and regulate gene expression directly by acting as a transcription factor. Scavenger receptors. These receptors are involved in the recognition and uptake of various molecules including modified lipoproteins, pathogens, and cellular debris. They play a role in host defense and lipid metabolism. Each type of cell receptor has a specific structure and function, allowing cell to respond to a wide range of extracellular signals and adapt to changes in their environment. These receptors are essential for maintaining normal cellular functions and coordinating responses to external stimuli. Thank you.